Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful question we're told to simplify. Please, if you are new to my channel, please like, share so that this page will reach a wider audience. Alright, so let's get started. Now we are told to simplify the square root of -1 all over 64 raised to a -2 all over 3. So how do you go about it? Now first of all, let's recall this rule that says according to indices, if you have a raised to -1, this is same as saying 1 all over a. Okay, all right, and if you have 1 all over a raised to -1, okay, is the same as saying a. Okay, all right, now that's because this 1 here, which acts as a numerator, cancel out this -1. Okay, so from this end now we apply this rule here, okay, where these 1 cancel out this -1 here, so which will come up with, now here you have -64 then raised to 2 all over 3. Okay, now that's because our 1 here cancel out the -1, which is a multiplier to 2 over 3. Okay, so at this point here now, what we just need to do is to look for a number in which when you raise it to 3 will give us -64, and that number is -4. So -4 raised to 3 will give us what? -64. Okay, so here we say -4 raised to 3 or raised to 2 all over 3. Okay, so according to the law of indices, if you have a raised to m or raised to n, now this will give us a raised to m n, which means the exponent here, that is m and n, multiplies each other. So and when we multiply 3 by 2 to third, that will be 3 by 2 to third. So this cancel out this, we are left with what? 2. So this gives us -4 all raised to 2, because this 3 cancel out this. So at this point now, we can agree here that -4 raised to 2 give us what? 16. So which is 16, and the square root of 16 gives us 4 as the final answer. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.